One of the things that is made much easier in Loft 2.0 compared to Loft 1.0 is creating a speaker turns. Creating a speaker turn can be done in a couple of different ways. Let's say that we hear the audio
Sziasztok, és nagyon sok szeretettel köszöntök mindenki.
and we want to create a speaker turn for this part of the speech here. We can use the plus button right above the cursor, and that will give us a new speaker turn that's not attributed to any speaker. The same effect can be achieved by using the Ctrl plus Shift plus A shortcut, and we'll get the same speaker turn created here. Once we attribute that speaker turn to speaker, and let's say that this is set by speaker 2, you can see the color of the speaker turn change. Now we can adjust the boundaries of this segment here. We can do this by clicking and dragging these two little circles at the end of each speaker turn that's selected, and we can do this, and we can do this. Once we've saved speaker turn, you can see that this is the entire speaker turn that we've created. Adjusting the speaker turn boundaries can be done also in the same way that we did it in Loft 1.0. We can select the speaker turn and use the shortcut Ctrl plus colon to adjust the starting time, or Ctrl plus single quote to adjust the ending time. Now we can readjust the speaker turn to the point where we need it to be. One very useful feature in Loft 2.0 is the fact that the entire speaker turn can be moved back and forth in the tasks, so adjusting the entire speaker turn is made much easier.